In this video, we are going to discuss about red-black trees. What is a red-black tree? Yes, it is a kind of self-balancing binary search tree, and it follows the properties of binary search tree. For a binary search tree, the value of left subtree will be less than that of the value of root node, and the value of right subtree will be greater than that of the root node. Okay. And another property of red-black tree is each node stores an extra bit representing color that may be red or black, used to ensure that the tree remains balanced during insertion and deletion. So we can go to next property. Every node is either red or black. Every node is either red or black. And root node is always black. Yes, root node is always black. And every leaf which is nil is black. Every node which is nil is black. If node is red, then its children are black. If the node is red, then its children are black. Every path from a node to any of its dissenting nil node has same number of black nodes. That is, when we considering each path, the number of black nodes should be equal. When we consider this path, this contains 1, 2, 3, 3 black nodes, and this path also 3 black nodes. This also 3, this also 3, this also 3, this also 3, this also contains 3 black nodes. That is the another property. Every path from a node to any of its dissenting nil node has same number of black nodes. Okay. If the parent is red, the children should be black. If the parent is red, children should be black. Okay. If the parent is black, the children can be either red or black. If the parent is black, then children can be either red or black. That are the main properties. Then now let us check some of the examples. According to this example, here the root node is red in color, so that is not applicable for a red-black tree. According to the property, root node should be in black color, so this is not a red-black tree. And second example, here it is not a binary search tree. We already told that all red-black tree is a binary search tree. So the 5 is less than 11, but here the 5 has come in right side of 11, so it violates the property of binary search tree, so it is not a red-black tree. Okay, according to this example, it is a red-black tree because right node have black child and black have either red or black child, and every path contains same number of black nodes, so it is a red-black tree. And consider the fourth example. Only black nodes are there. First of all, we think that this is not a red-black tree because this doesn't contain red node, even though this is a red-black tree because it follows the property of red-black tree. Okay. Then we can now go to the insertion or creation of a red-black tree on the next session. Now we can go to the operation on red-black tree. There are some of the rules for insertion and for creation. Okay. First rule is, if tree is empty, create new node as root node with color black. That is, when the tree is empty, then we should create new node as root node and its color will be black color. Okay. Then second rule, if tree is not empty, create new node as not left node, leaf node with color red. Okay. That is, if the tree is not empty, then create the new node as leaf node and its color will be red. Okay. Third property, third rule, the parent of new node is black, then exit. If the parent of new node is black, then exit. Fourth rule, if parent of new node is red, then check the color of parent sibling of new node. Okay. If the parent of new node is red, okay, parent of new node is red, then check the color of parent sibling, check the color of parent sibling, okay, of new node. Then if the color is black or null, then do suitable rotation and recolor. If the color is black or null, then do suitable rotation and recolor. Okay, if the parent sibling is red, then recolor and also check if parent of new node is not root node, then recolor it and recheck. Okay, if the color of the sibling is red, then recolor and also check if parent of new node is not root node, then recolor it also and recheck. These are the main rules. You should also remember these three property when we dealing with the insertion or creation. Root should be black, not two adjacent red nodes, and count number of black nodes in each path. The number of black nodes should be equal. So these are the main rules. Now let us check an example, then you can understand what are the rules. Okay. So this is our question, create a red black tree. There are elements, so we should arrange these elements to a red black tree. Okay, how can we to do? Here the first element is 11. We already told that if the tree is empty, then the new node will come as a root node and its color will be black. So 11 will be at black color. We have inserted 11. Then we want to insert 19. 19 is a new node and the tree is not empty, so it come as a leaf node, and it will also at the right of 11 because it is a binary search tree, so and its color will be red. So we have inserted 19 also. Then we want to insert 6. 6 will come at the left of 11 and it is a new node and its color will be red. So we have inserted 6, 19, 11. So when inserting an element to a tree, that we should remember that you should remember to check whether the tree is balanced or not, whether the tree is red black tree or not. Okay, yes, it is contains only black. So it is a red black tree and there is no adjacent to red node. Okay, so we have inserted 6 also. The next element is 15. 15 will come at the right of 11 and left of 19, and that is a new node and its color will be red color. So here it is red conflict, so that is not applicable for red black tree, so we should perform the rule. Okay, so what was the rule? Check the parent sibling. Yes, parent sibling is red, so we want to recolor it. Okay, we have recolored 6 and 19 to black. Okay, then another rule is there, check the parent's parent. Okay, parent's parent is 11 and it is a root node, so we don't want to recolor it. If 11 is not a root node, then we want to recolor 11 also. Okay, so we have inserted 15 also. Then next 17. 17 will come at the right of 11 and it is a new node that will come at the right of 15 because 17 is greater than 15 and 17 is not greater than 19, so it cannot place here, so it is come here. Okay, this is red and this is red, so here also a red conflict. So we want to check the parent sibling. Here sibling is null. If the here is a rule, if the parent sibling is null or black, then you should perform the required rotation, suitable rotation. here we want to rotate here this. Okay, this is right of the 17 is right of 15 and 15 is left of 19. So there are two rotation. First is left rotation and second is right rotation. Okay, left rotation means here you can perform that. 11 6. Left rotation means the value of 15 and 17 will change. That is only the change when we perform left rotation. We have performed the left rotation, then we want to perform right rotation. Here it is left, here it is also left, so we want to rotate right rotation. So when we perform right rotation, here this will change completely. 17 will be the node and 15 and 19 will be its child node. That is the change when performing right rotation. We have performed right rotation. Then we want to recolor. That was our rule. So we want to recolor only these two. That is 19 will become red. 19 will become red and 17 will become black. This will become black and 19 will become red. We will get this. After recoloring we will get this. Okay. Then we have inserted 17 also. Then we want to insert 31. We want to insert 31. Before going to next, we should check whether it is a red black tree or not. Checking there is no two adjacent red nodes and number of black nodes is equal for every path. Okay, so it is a red black tree. Then we want to insert next node, that is 31. Then 31 will come over at the right of 19, at the right of 17, at the right of 11. So its place will be here. Okay, and that is a new node and its color will be red. Okay, that is a leaf node and its color will be red. Okay, here also in RR conflict, so we want to check for the parent sibling. Yes, parent sibling is also red. So we want to recolor this also. This will become black and this also become black. After that we want to check the parent's parent. Yes, parent's parent is 17. That is not a root node. So we want to recolor this also. Okay, so I am just drawing after recoloring these two and this. This is because this is the parent's parent. So this color should be changed because this is not a root node. Okay, this is our new tree. Then check whether it is a red black tree or not. Checking that, we have already told that if the node is red, its children should be black. Yes, it follows that rule. And checking each path, the color of red nodes, black nodes is equal 2 2 2. Okay, then we have inserted 31. Then we want to insert 26. Yes, 26 will come at the left of 31. Okay, 26 will come at the left of 31. Clear? See here, 31 and 26 are of same color. Is red, 31 is red. So here is a red conflict. So we want to apply the rule. So when checking the parent sibling, yes, here parent sibling is null or black. Then we want to take a suitable rotation. Okay. Here 26 is left of 31 and 31 is right of 19. So we want two rotation. First one is right rotation and second one is left rotation. Okay, so we can perform first time right rotation. Then how can we do like this here? That is, when we perform right rotation, only the values 31 and 26 will change together. Okay, we can rewrite that. Okay, 26 will come up and 31 will come as a child of 26. So we have performed the right rotation. Then we want to check. This is right. 26 is right of 19 and 31 is also right of 26. So we want to perform second rotation, that is left rotation, that will come like this. When we perform left rotation, we want to change this part completely. That 26 will be the root and this will be child of 26. Okay. When we when we perform right rotation, this will be the output. Then we want to recolor. We want to recolor 26 and 19. Okay. So 19 will become red and 26 become black. Okay, this will become red and this will become black. So we want to recolor it. After recoloring 26 and 19, we will get this. This is obtained from this figure. Okay, you should remember that rule. Okay, then we get this. Now let us check the red. Red node contains only black child and black contains red or black contains red or black. Okay, that is not a problem. And then check the number of blacks. 2, 2, 2, 2. So this is balanced and this is a red black tree. So we have inserted 26. Okay, then we want to insert 49. 49 will come. Okay, now 49 will come at the right of the 31, then it will be the leaf node. Okay, and its color will be red. So this is red, this is also red. So here is a red conflict. So we want to check for the parent's sibling. Parent sibling is red. So here just recoloring 19 and 31. After that you want to check parent's parent. Parent's parent is not root node. So the color of the 26 will go to red. Okay, here it is the new tree after recoloring. So the color of 19 and 31 has changed to black and its parent is also changed to changing color because that is not a root node. So we have, and again an RR conflict can be seen here. So you want to check for the parent sibling. So parent sibling is black in color. So you want to perform required rotation. After that you want to recolor it. So here 26 is the right of 17 and 17 is right of 11. So we want to perform left rotation. Left rotation means like this. So when performing left rotation, you want to rearrange this. 17 will be the node and 11 and 26 will be its child node. So you want to rechange that. 17 is the root and 11 is its left subtree and 26 is its right subtree. Then you want to arrange 6, 15, 19, 31 and 45 in this tree. You can see that 6 is left of 11. So 6 will come left of 11. Okay, and 15 is also left of 17 and that will be greater than 11. so its position will come here. Okay. Sorry, this is red. Okay, red and 19 will come here and 31 will come here, then 41 will come here. Then we want to recolor it. How to recolor? This 17 and 11 will change. Here 17 is red, that will become black, and color of 11 is black, here it will become red. After performing the color changing, we get 17 as black and 11 as red, then 26 as red, 6 and 5 as black, and 19, 31 as black, and 49 as red after recoloring. Okay, so we have inserted 49. Then we are going to check this tree. Okay, red nodes contains only black childs. Okay, and each path contains same number of black nodes. Okay, so it is a red black tree. Then we want to insert next element 60. 60 will be at the right of 49. Okay, 60 will be placed here. That is a new node and its color will be red. 60 has placed here. Here also RR conflict. So we want to check for the parent sibling. There is no sibling, it is null. Null. So we want to perform what? Rotation. So it is right of 60 is right of 49 and 49. Perform the left rotation because 49 is right of 31 and 60 is right of 49. So here it is right. So we want to take left rotation, and after rotation we want to recolor what? 49, 31. Okay, 49 will become black and 31 will become red. After left rotation we will get this because 49 will be the root and 31 and 60 will its child nodes. Okay, then we want to recolor. That I told you that 49 will become black and 31 will become red. So after recoloring, this will be the final tree. Okay, we have inserted 60, then we want to insert what? 5. Next element is 5, so we want to insert 5. 5 will come at the left of the 6 node. Okay, 6. So this will come here. So there is no condition violation. So no changes. This is the tree. Then we want to insert 4. 4 will come at the left of 5, and here consider the parent sibling. Parent sibling is null. So we want to take rotation. Here it will be a right rotation, and after right rotation we will get this. 5 will be the root node and 4 and 6 will be its child node. So after right rotation we want to recolor 5 as black and 6 as red. 5 as black and 6 as red. After that we get this tree after recoloring and after rotation. Then we have inserted 4 and we want to insert 90. 90 will come at the right of 60 and here is a RR conflict. So we want to check for the parent sibling. Parent sibling is 31. So we want to recolor 31 and 60. We have recolored 31 and 60. Then another rule is there. We want to check parents parent is not a root node, so we want to recolor this also. So here I have recolored 49 also. Then here is also a RR conflict, so that we want to check for the parent sibling is 11 and it is also red color, so we want to recolor these two. We have recolored these two. Then we want to check for parents parent. This is the new node and this is parent. Parent is 17. For 17, that is root node, so we don't want to recolor 17. So this is our last tree, last red black tree.
Inserted all elements and it follows the red black tree properties also, and we can do deletion on another video because this video is so lengthy, so we can do deletion on another video. Thank you.